So you glossed over something that I think is really important that I want to unpack a little bit. So you said you prefer influencers right now over ads, and you're seeing rates like $300 for $100,000 views. Could you walk us through how you think about, like, how do you acquire these, or how do you do these deals with these influencers? How do you reach out to them? What is your process to do this?
Yeah, so there are a lot of influencers now, a lot more than there were a year ago. I think AI has helped and the new Twitter algorithm has helped. So there are a lot of people doing that for a living. And uh, I kind of I was looking at that segment 2 years ago as well, and I was checking the prices, and it was at least 1K, and they would guarantee maybe 30,000 views. And then I kept asking the same people price again every few months. And now it's way lower just because there are more people doing the same thing. There's competition and they drop the prices. So now it's $300. Sometimes it's $100. So I have some deals for $100 just because I buy often. So if somebody sells for $300 and you buy 5 times, they drop the price, right? And in my case, I have a lot of products and I buy very often. I just reach out on Twitter and LinkedIn, just direct messages. Sometimes they reach out to me. It's more often that they reach out to me than I reach out to them. They offer their service. So it's pretty simple to find, but usually they start with really high price. So you would get 700 or 800 at the start. And you should just bargain that down to a few hundred, and that usually works. Even if they say no, so that's how it works for me. They say no, but then they come back 4 weeks after because they have this 1 week slot that's not taken, and 200 is better than nothing. So they say, you can take it, right? And if you have enough of influencers in your pipeline, in your list, then there's always a week open for one of them or a few of them. And you buy, and then eventually when you bought 5 or 10 times, you agree on fixed price that's pretty low. And what I do now, I'm doing new things, so I'm experimenting, and it's pretty interesting. So I pay influencers fixed amount every month, and it is similar to partnership like the football stars do with Nike, etc., but on a nano scale, right? So, and I pay them fixed money every month, and they know it will be coming in whatever happens, and I commit for 12 months cancellation. So I won't cancel unless I give the notice. So a lot of people like it, and I have certain amount of stuff I can do on their account. Like it can be a post, it can be a part of the listicle, it can be a replay, or etc. And now the price goes very low for me. There is some risk, so they might just lose their engagement and reach, and then I still pay them. But it never really happens. Like I haven't seen influencer like completely going out of the business. Like some changes in the algorithm, and they get back. So. And I actually plan to launch a tool around that, basically to make that kind of the whole, not a marketplace, but a little, like people say on Twitter, I'm reinventing the AdSense. But yeah, AdSense for micro startups.
Cool. Yeah, I like that. I think also